Hello friends! Today we will install full version of Movavi easily. So let's get started.
Usually, Movavi Video Suite costs $79.95 for a lifetime license, but you can get full version by clicking the link in the description. Don't worry about safety. All software is pre-tested, scanned with multiple antiviruses, and confirmed working by our community. Just go to the site, follow the instructions, and download the file. By the way, you'll find tons of other premium software available for free on the same site. Everything is working and tested for functionality before being posted. Just click on the site thumbnail to explore. Unzip the archive using the password from the site, and your Movavi Video Suite is ready to go. Now let me show you how amazing everything works. With Movavi Video Suite, you get the ultimate multimedia experience without any limitations. Everything works flawlessly, from video editing and screen recording to converting files and burning DVDs. Here are the main advantages of Movavi Video Suite. No watermarks. Export unlimited videos without any Movavi branding or restrictions. Video editor included. Cut, merge, add effects, and create professional videos easily. Screen recorder. Capture screen, webcam, and audio for tutorials and gaming. Video converter. Convert between 180 plus formats at lightning speed. Photo editor. Enhance images, remove backgrounds, and restore old photos. Slideshow maker. Turn photos into stunning videos with music and transitions. DVD burner. Create DVDs with custom menus and chapters. 4K Ultra HD support. Work with highest quality footage without lag. AI enhancement tools. Upscale videos, remove noise, and stabilize shaky footage. 200 plus filters and effects. Professional transitions, titles, and stickers included. Audio tools. Remove background noise, normalize volume, add effects. Batch processing. Convert or edit multiple files simultaneously. Hardware acceleration. Uses GPU for 10x faster rendering and conversion. Best of all, this version is completely clean. No malware, no minors, just the full suite working exactly like the official one.
Movavi Video Suite also includes super speed conversion, preserving 100% original quality, chroma key for green screen effects, motion tracking to follow objects, beat detection for music video sync, split screen templates for comparisons, media player supporting all formats, GIF creator from videos, YouTube direct upload with optimized settings, subtitle editor and hard coding, VHS and film effects for vintage look. You could buy components separately, but that's expensive. Video Editor Plus costs $60, Screen Recorder costs $45, Video Converter costs $55, Photo Editor costs $40, total over $200 separately. Or use free alternatives like Handbrake, OBS, GIMP. But switching between different programs wastes time, and they lack Movavi's polish. Here's why Movavi Suite is perfect. It's 7 professional programs in one package. Everything works together seamlessly. Record gameplay, edit highlights, convert for YouTube, all in one workflow. Create family videos, restore old photos, burn DVDs for grandparents. The interface is so intuitive, anyone can use it in minutes without tutorials. You can find Movavi Video Suite and other premium software on the site, link in the pinned comment below. We update our collection weekly with Adobe Creative Suite, Wondershare products, Cyberlink Power Director, and more multimedia tools. If this video was helpful, hit the like button and ring the notification bell for new releases. Check out our other videos for more amazing software. Thanks for watching, and enjoy unlimited creative possibilities with Movavi Video Suite.